Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at the solution for SA1 revision set C, question 36 to 45. Question 36. Sarah has 3 times as much money as Hagar. If she gives $30 to Hagar, they would have the same amount of money. So I know Sarah has 3 times, so which is 3 unit, and Hagar will have 1 unit. So let's draw Sarah and Hagar. Sarah has 3 unit, Hagar has 1 unit. So we know that Sarah has 2 unit more than Hagar. If she gives $30 to Hagar, they would have the same amount of money. So now I need to draw the same. Let me use another color. To have the same means it would be like that, right? So if he gives $30 to Hagar, Hagar will receive $30, and then Sarah and Hagar will be the same amount. So we are looking at the red portion here. Right? So I know that 1 unit is $30. Therefore, how much money do they have all together? So this amount is transferred here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 unit. So 4 unit will be 30 times 4, which is $120. Question 37. Jake bought 3 identical books. Ali bought 2 identical pens and paid $18 less than Jake. So now let's draw our model. We have less than, so we draw comparison model. Jake and Ali. Jake bought 3 identical books. So let's draw the books. 1 book, 2 book, 3 books. Each book costs $24. So I put down $24. So I actually can find how much did Jake paid for the books. So 1 unit is $24. So 3 unit will be 24 times 3, which is my $72. So now let's look for Ali. Ali bought 2 pens. Okay, 1 pen, 2 pen, and paid $18 less than Jake. So the difference is 18. So I know that I can take this whole amount, $72 minus $18, which is my $54, right? So I take $54 is my 2 unit here. So my 2 unit is $54. I can find 4 pen, so I take 4 unit will be 54 times 2, which is $108. Alternatively, I can take, let's change the color. 2 unit is 54. 1 unit will be 54 times, divide by 2. 54 divided by 2 is $27, and 4 unit will be 27 times 4, which is also $108. Question 38. A fishmonger had a total of 42 lobsters and crab for sale. If 7 of them were lobsters, so I know they are all together 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. Total of 7 units. 42 lobsters and crabs. So we put down 7 of them were lobsters. So lobsters is 7. Crabs would be 7, right? So this is lobsters, and the crab is 4 units. How many more crabs than lobsters were there? So I know this is 4 unit, this is 3 unit. So 4 unit minus 3 unit is 1 unit. So I want to find how many more. I need to find 1 unit. So I know here is 7 unit. The total is 42. 1 unit will be 42 divided by 7. And my answer is 6. Question 39. Mr. C made a pizza. He ate 2/5 of the pizza and gave 1/10 of it to each of his 2 daughters. So I know there's a pizza. He ate 2/5 and gave 1/10. So the pizza is 1 whole. Ate 2/5, you minus 2/5. Gave 1/10 to 1 daughter. She has 2 daughters, so you minus another 1/10. When I do subtraction, I must ensure that my denominator is the same. So I have 5 and I have 10. I need to find the common multiple. So 5, 10. Same denominator. So 5 times 2, 1, 2 is 10. So I have 10, 10 minus, so I times 2, 4, 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1, 10. Answer will be 4, 10. I need to express my answer in simplest form. So my answer will be 2/5. Question 40. Fatima spent 3/5 of her money on food and 360 on clothes and transport. If she had 1/10 of her money left, how much money would she have at first? So I know that at first she would have 1 whole, right? So she spent 3/5 on food. Clothing plus transport is 360. She left 1/10. So first I need to take 1 whole minus 3/5 minus 1/10 that is left. Right? If I want to draw my model, I can draw this way. This is my money spent. Sorry, I can put down here 3/5 on food, spend 360 on clothes and transport, and left 1/10. So this is fraction, this is fraction. I take 1 whole minus the food minus the left. So it's 1 whole is 10, 10. 3/5 would be 6/10. Minus 6/10 minus 1/10. So it will be 3/10. So I know this is 3/10. 6/10 plus 3/10 plus 1/10 will give me 1 whole, which is 10, 10. So 3 unit is my $360. 1 unit will be 360 divided by 3, which is $120. So I want to find how much money did he have at first. At first is your 10 unit. So 10 unit will be 120 times 10, which is $1,200. Question 41. Rama spent 5/12 of his savings on a soccer ball and also spent 1/3 of it on a book. What fraction of his money was left? So I need to find left. What do? I subtract. So I take 1 whole minus 5/12 minus 1/3. Okay, I make sure that I must have the same denominator. So I find common multiples. I have 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. So my 3 times 4. So 12, 12 minus 5, 12 minus 4, 12. My answer is 3, 12. What fraction? Give your answer in simplest form. 3, 12 is actually 1/4. We divide by 3 is 1/4. The soccer ball costs $45. Which is the soccer ball? Is 5/12. So now I know that 5 unit is $45. 1 unit will be 45 divided by 5, $9. How much did the book cost? The book cost 4 units. So 4 unit is 9 times 4, and the book costs $36. Question 42. There were 19 boys and 17 girls in primary 4C. They sold a total of 142 lucky draw tickets. Each boy sold 3 tickets. So I know 1 boy, 3 tickets. So 19 boys will be 19 times 3, which is 57 tickets. So my answer for A is 57 tickets. How many more tickets did the girls sell than the boys? So they sold a total of 142. So total 142. Boys sold 57. So the girls, I take 142 minus 57, which is 85. So the girls sold 85. How many more tickets did the girls sell than the boys? So if I do my comparison, this is my girls, my boys has fewer. So the girls is 85, boys sell 57. I want to find the difference. So I take 85 minus 57. My answer will be 28. So the girls sold 28 more tickets than the boys. Question 43. A total mass of 4 identical computers and 5 identical printers is 223 kilogram. The total mass of each of the computer and printer is 50 kilogram. So I know one computer plus one printer is 50 kilogram. Right? So 4 computer and 5 printers. So 4 computer plus 4 printer will give me 50 times 4, which is 200 kilogram. Can you see? I will draw for you. Computer, printer, and another printer. So total is 2, 2, 3. This is 50. So there are 4 sets of 50, which is 200 gram. So I take one printer, so the printer will cost 223 minus 200, which is 23 kilogram. Find the mass of one computer. So one computer, I take 50 minus 53, which is, sorry, not 53, 50 minus 23, which is 27 kilogram. Therefore, one computer is 27 kilogram. Question 44. Harry and Raju have 1,452 marbles altogether. After Harry gave, so write down the information, Harry plus Raju is 1,452. After Harry gives 130 marbles to Raju, he has 3 times as many marbles as Raju. So Harry gave to Raju 130. So Harry will left 3 units. Okay, so let's draw our model. Harry and Raju. So I know that Harry has a lot more than Raju. Okay, so total they have 1,452. After Harry gives 130, so I must minus here. 130 gave to Raju. So Raju from Harry 130. Then what happened? We know that he, which is Harry, has 3 times as many as Raju. So this is your 1 unit. This one becomes your 1 unit. This one is your 3 unit after he has given. Okay, right. So now let's find. So once this is given here, so how do I find? So I find that there is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, and 4 unit here is 1,452. Therefore 4 unit, let me draw this again to let you see clearly. I'll use another color. This is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. Okay, so 4 unit is 1452. Therefore 1 unit will be 1452 divided by 4, which is 363. How many marbles does Raju have at first? So Raju at first is only this part here. So I take 300. Raju would be 363 minus 130, which is 233. So Raju has 233 at first. How many marbles does Harry have now? So Harry have 3 units. So you take 363 times 3, which is 1089. So B is 1089 marbles. Question 45. Mrs. Wong baked some cookies. She gave 5/9 of her cookies to Peter. So I know at first Mrs. Wong has 1 whole. What did she do? She gave to Peter 5/9, 1/3 to Ben, and the rest means what is left to Tom. So let's now draw our model. I need to find 1 whole at first, so I minus 5/9 that she gave to Peter, minus 1/3 she gave to Ben, to find how much does Tom get. So my denominator is different, so I need to find my common multiples to find the common denominator. So I have 9 and 3, 6, 9. So 9 is the common denominator. So I have 9, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 3, 9, because I multiply by 3. So Tom would get 1, 9. Peter received 68 more cookies than Tom. So Peter is 5 unit. Tom is 1, 9. So 5, 9 minus 1, 9, which is 4, 9. So I know that my 4 unit is my 68 cookies. 1 unit will be 68 divided by 4, which is 17 cookies. How many cookies did Mrs. Wong bake? Mrs. Wong baked 9 unit. So 17 times 9, answer is 153 cookies. Children, we have come to the end of the solutions for our SA1 revision set C. Goodbye.